Glycol Antifreeze is a type of coolant used in various applications, including automotive engines, heating and cooling systems, and industrial machinery. It is a mixture of glycol and water, typically ethylene glycol or propylene glycol, with additives to prevent corrosion and provide other benefits. Properties of Glycol Antifreeze. Glycol Antifreeze has several important properties that make it suitable for its various applications. Freezing point depression. Glycol lowers the freezing point of water, preventing it from freezing in cold temperatures. Ethylene glycol reduces the freezing point of water by about 37 degrees Fahrenheit, while propylene glycol reduces the freezing point by about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Boiling point elevation. Glycol raises the boiling point of water, allowing it to operate at higher temperatures without boiling. This is particularly important for cooling systems in engines and industrial machinery. Corrosion inhibition. Glycol Antifreeze contains additives that prevent corrosion of metal parts in cooling systems. These additives can protect against various types of corrosion, including oxidation, galvanic corrosion, and acid-base corrosion. Anti-foaming properties. Glycol Antifreeze can help to prevent foaming in cooling systems, which can lead to airlocks and overheating. Applications of Glycol Antifreeze. Glycol Antifreeze is used in a variety of applications, including automotive engines. Glycol Antifreeze is essential for keeping automotive engines from overheating in cold weather. It prevents the water in the cooling system from freezing and expanding, which can damage the engine block. Heating and cooling systems. Glycol Antifreeze is used in heating and cooling systems to transfer heat and maintain proper operating temperatures. It can be used in residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Industrial machinery. Glycol Antifreeze is used in industrial machinery to protect components from corrosion and high temperatures. It is commonly used in hydraulic systems, air conditioning systems, and refrigeration systems. Safety precautions. Glycol Antifreeze is a hazardous substance that can be harmful if swallowed or inhaled. It is important to handle and store Glycol Antifreeze carefully and to follow the manufacturer's instructions. If you come into contact with Glycol Antifreeze, wash the affected area with soap and water immediately. Here are some additional safety precautions to take when handling Glycol Antifreeze. Wear gloves and eye protection when handling Glycol Antifreeze. Do not mix different types of Glycol Antifreeze. Properly dispose of used Glycol Antifreeze. If you have any questions or concerns about Glycol Antifreeze, please consult a professional. Please check description for much more.